Hello everyone, here is Pierre from OGarden. Hope you're super well today. So today I'm gonna make a recipe for my colleagues here, and of course with all some veg and stuff coming from the OGarden. So yeah, here I'm at the office. I bring all my stuff with me, and I'm gonna make Mimosa eggs, which is a kind of French recipe with eggs, boiled eggs, and a salad composed with lettuce and mustard leaf. Mustard leaf, it's pretty special. It's a bit unusual. It's like spicy, bit taste of mustard, of course. So yeah, let's go. So first of all, I'm gonna make the eggs. You will see it like super simple. Today I want to make something like easy to do, you know. So I just cut in half my eggs, right that way. Then I will put the yellow inside of my bowl like that, and the white over here. Okay. So yeah, for me it was important today to make a recipe for you, to show you what we can do with the OGarden, and of course, like, all the stuff was like, we want to eat something from the OGarden, you know. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna make something for you guys. So here we go. So we just place the yellow on the bowl here. Then we're gonna take a bunch of parsley. So I do have a parsley somewhere, just over here, and I really do like parsley, so I will take a nice bunch of it. Yeah, maybe a bit more. Alright, here we go. Come over here. Great. Nice. So then you have your parsley here. Just have to cut it that way. Okay, and it directly goes with the yellow eggs, right, like that. Okay. Then it's like super easy recipe. Then we're gonna take some mayonnaise, okay? Like we do have 4 eggs, so I'm gonna put like 2.5 spoons that way, okay? Then just crush the yellow with the parsley and the mayonnaise. Right. Well, I'm a bit fan of pepper, so I'm gonna put some pepper as well. So here's the look. You know, super simple. And then we're gonna restuff the white eggs, so the white part of the boiled eggs. So I'm gonna use the knife like that, and just fill up with the yellow parsley, pepper, and mayonnaise. So as you can see, it's like pretty fast to do and easy, and it's a way to eat eggs in a tasty way with some veg. Here we go. Next one. Good. And you know what? I'm gonna I'm gonna put some colors, so a bit more colors. I'm gonna put a little bit of purple basil, just like a little touch of special colors. Okay, I don't want to kill my basil, just few leaves. Yeah, I would just like make something simple, you know, like a bit leaf that way. Let's find out one more. I'm gonna take this one. Okay, so this is the first part of the recipe today. So, which is the mimosa eggs with parsley. No, so then I'm gonna make a salad. So I do have a super nice and beautiful lettuce here, which is the oak leaf lettuce. So I'm gonna harvest it. Right. So as you can see, I do have a. I took all the lettuce, the bunch of lettuce. Okay. This one, and a bit of green lettuce as well in order to make some more colors and volume. So I do have some here. Okay, and few leaves here as well. So you don't need to always get all the lettuce in the same time. You know, you can sometimes just take some leaf, like the half part of the lettuce, and the lettuce will continue to grow. So it's really up to you, depending of the age of the lettuce and or the veg, and how much do you need actually. Okay, great. So we do have the lettuce here. Now I'm gonna take some mustard leaf. So this is really unusual actually. I never seen that in the stores before. So here I do have some mustard, and I'm not gonna take everything, just some of the leaf of the mustard, because it's super tasty, but it's strong, you know, it really tastes like mustard. So I think this will be enough. Right. As well, I do have some cherry tomatoes. So some of them are full, and I do have others here. But these one are really tiny one. Okay, so just in order to put a bit of colors on the recipe, it's also always nice to. Wow, gonna use this one, will be easier. Great. So okay, some cherry tomatoes as well, and maybe we can put something else, like, oh yeah, I'm gonna take some leaf of Nasturtium, so which is a flower that we can eat, but we can eat the leaf as well, and I really like that because it's kind of really beautiful leaf actually. Like as you can see, it's really particular, and yeah, just some few. It's as well have a taste kind of spicy, very interesting, bit sweety as well. So let's take one or two more. So, you know, the concept with the OGarden is like really having fun, you know, and following the inspiration, and say, okay, what I wanna make, okay, let's let's try that and just take whatever you want. It's really like the inspiration, it's having fun and pleasure and enjoying the food, you know, and be really conscious of the plants growing, and okay, thank you, I'm gonna take this one just few leaf, etc. Like, yeah, it's a matter of having fun and well-being, you know. So now I'm gonna make the sauce for the lettuce. Before I was like super fan of really complex sauce, you know, but no, I finally just enjoy super simple sauce for lettuce, and the reason is that I made a super tasty lettuce already, you know, like without any sauce. It's already tasty and nice to eat, so I don't want to have a very heavy sauce that will just cover all the different tastes of the plant. So I'm just gonna make some lemon with olive oil, bit of salt, bit of pepper. Actually, I will not put any pepper because we do have some mustard leaf on it. I do have some. This is hemp, okay, hard hemp. So this is nice because it brings a bit of protein in. So I'm gonna just like put some on the top, that way. Great. So I do have a kind of pot here, like super simple. I just crush the lemon. You know, I'm gonna put around 3 spoons of lemon juice, super fresh. Okay, well, actually this is 2 spoons and a half. I'm gonna put a bit of olive oil. So I like to use a super virgin olive oil. It's really tasty as well. So I'm gonna put like, usually it's two quantity of olive oil for 1 of lemon juice. It's like the basic. All right, a little bit of salt, like 2 stuff like this. Okay, and yeah, that's it. What I'm gonna do is just I close my pot. I'm just gonna shake it. All right, and you will see in a second it's make an amazing sauce. It's like ultra simple, you know, and I really like this kind of sauce that bring back to the essential, you know. So then I put some sauce on it. All right, great. I take out the. There we go. So that's it. I did 2 little recipe for my colleague today, coming from like super fresh plants, coming from the OGarden. Hope you did enjoy this little like improvisation of recipe and cooking like in the office, you know, like super simple. And yeah, I wish you a super great day. Again, if you have questions, anything about the OGarden, just ask. And right now we are running a Kickstarter campaign, so we are here now in like beginning of March. So you can have a look on our site or website, and yeah, enjoy.